I would enter here and let's see what they hit. These contracts, they were at $350, now they're at $400. One thing I do recommend if you're a new trader is just wait when the market opens at least 15 to 30 minutes. Here are my orders for the day. So I'm willing to lose $70 to try to gain $210. Good morning, my fellow traders. Happy Friday and welcome back. Let's end this vlog. Let's end this day awesome. Let's kill it today. It's Friday. We've been killing it every single day besides Tuesday. We took a $42 loss. Oh, and I believe we took a $50 loss on, I think it was Wednesday. I forget what day it was, but either way, profitable week. Let's end it with a nice bang. Got my nice breakfast going on, got my coffee. We've been hitting the gym every single day this week. We went every single day for the first time in so long. It's been a while since I actually finally went to the gym for the whole week. What I'm watching for the market today is SPY calls above a specific level, which this level that I'm looking at is 597.75. It's a call level that I plan on taking on SPY. Now at this point on the hourly time frame, it has a nice resistance here. And if I can get a break above with a nice 15-minute candle close above with a little bit of 5-minute retest, I'll enter on the 5-minute retest and we'll take some nice calls. Now, if you're new to the channel, just know that I don't trade the first 30 minutes. I'm not a first 5-minute momentum trader. I actually like to wait for the market to make a move and make a decision first and make a direction, and then I follow the momentum. I'm not a predictor, I'm a reactor. As a trader, I'm a reactor. I don't care about trying to predict if I was correct that the market is gonna go up today or tomorrow or next week. Really, I just want to capitalize on the momentum. So if market does swing bullish today, then I have my call level set. If market swings bearish today, then I have my put level set. And I have my puts at 590 and I have my calls above 597.75. So let's get it today. And if I take any trades, of course, I'm gonna show you guys. Maybe I'll live screen record it and let's show you guys how it's done. Here we are, we got a nice market break above that level. Nice volume here. Very strong. Now, I was in a voice chat with my friend CoinShot on the Discord, and I didn't show you guys my plan, but I posted my plan in the Discord, and all it was really is just I saw on SPY this nice trend break here, and you can see on the hourly time frame we broke out. Now, the reason why I didn't enter is because look at this hourly candle. Wasn't sure exactly what's going on there, but on the 30 minutes it looks very solid. Nice hold of that trend. Maybe could have risked it there, but either way, I'm just gonna watch for now. And if I miss my bull calls or if I miss entry, then I miss it. It's totally fine. Here's a nice pullback coming. And so maybe we'll catch the pullback, but so far, nice bullish momentum. I'm hesitating, guys. $350 a contract. This is the pullback here on that level. Contracts are going for $350 a piece. These are Wednesday expirations at the money calls because they're only 10 cents away. And let's see what these move to. So from $350, I would enter here and let's see what they hit. If I do enter, I'm gonna mentally enter. I'm not gonna trade this one, but if I do enter, I'll enter here for $350 a piece. These contracts after that dip here, which was that retest, which I told you guys I'm mentally taking. If I would enter here, they were at $350, now they're at $400. That's $50 a gain. And if I would have bought 2 of them, that'd be $100 right here on this single entry from that dip. I like those contracts, especially because when it started chopping here for a little bit, it was chilling still in value at $360 a piece, which means same day expirations probably would have maybe been at break even here. But guys, look at that push going crazy here. One thing I do recommend if you're a new trader is just wait when the market opens at least 15 to 30 minutes or at least even an hour. Now, I know some people do say that the most momentum is the first 5, 15, 30 minutes, which is true, but also that is where a lot of people lose a lot of money. And I was also one of those people, and I still see a lot of people losing money in the first 30 minutes, trading all their capital, which is totally fine. It's just that when you do that, you miss out on the setups later on. And I do see a lot of people in other Discords too talk about, man, I already traded early in the morning and now I'm missing all these setups that are playing out now, which is why I like to wait a couple hours. It's been helping me out a lot more. I used to wait at least 15 minutes, but now I'm honestly waiting about an hour, or I wait for specific levels to get broken because I'm a patient trader. And I hope everybody can learn from that, because if you are taking trades early in the morning and losing out, it's because you're taking it too early when it's very volatile. Now, don't get me wrong, you can make a lot of money there, but it's better to enter when the market's already moving in a specific direction and just capture the retest. Wait for a break and retest, which is my favorite strategy here. Hopefully we can catch one of those today. But let's get out of here. 9:06 a.m. Gotta go pump gas. I'm in this trade here on Amazon, a nice breakout to the upside. I'm currently in profits, at least just 1%. And guys, I'm in this one for over $600, 640 to be exact. 30% gain will be nice on this trade. Over $180, 10% stop loss, and let's see what we can get, guys. Market's going crazy here, so update you guys with what happens here. I did try to take one more trade off AMD below this 90 EMA, and I kind of chased it a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie, and now I'm kind of reaping the repercussions or whatever they call it. I'm not down that bad, so I only went in for $300 on this entry. $25 loss, 10% stop loss, and that's what I'm gonna shoot for. So of course I'm gonna have to cut it here because the market closes in literally like 20 minutes anyways. It's Friday, next week expirations, and I gotta cut at 10%. Here are my orders for the day, and we're gonna quickly go over it because guys, we took an L today of $102, and I'll tell you guys how and what had happened. So before we get into it, let me talk to you guys. What I'm going to test out these next couple of weeks, as far as even this week, I've been trying it out for the last couple of days, is buying next week expirations, and I'm going to shoot for a 30% stop price target with a 10% stop loss, which is what I've been talking about for these past couple of days as well, and you guys heard me. But what I'm also testing out also is next week expirations, instead of taking same day expirations, which is what I usually do when I trade SPY, or also I take same week expirations when I trade AMD or NVIDIA. So this time I'm going to trade next week expirations on AMD, NVIDIA, or maybe even SPY. I might even take next week expirations and again shoot for higher price targets, meaning $2 moves. I'm talking about on the stock itself with a 50-cent stop loss on the stock, meaning that, because what I've noticed that when I took AMD today, a 50-cent move backwards was a 10% move, a loss. Same thing when I took Amazon, a 50-cent move, a 25-cent move was a 5% loss. So a 50-cent move is a 10% loss, meaning that my price target's got to be well over a couple dollars so that I can gain a nice 30, 20, 50% on these trades. Here's my orders here. My first entry I got in for $620 total. I bought 2 contracts for $320, you can see. Sold them at $287 for a loss, and that was how I was down $66 in the beginning. And then I bought 2 contracts for $152, $304 entry, sold them at $134 for a loss of about $36. So total on the day, $102 down on a day. Totally fine, because guys, guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna enter in for $700 to $600 to $500, and I'm gonna shoot for 30%, meaning on a $700 entry, 30% gain on a $700 entry would be $210 gain on a 30% price target trade. 10% loss on $700 entry is $70. So I'm willing to lose $70 to try to gain $210. You hear me what I'm saying? That's a 1 in 3. Now if I enter for $300, $30 stop loss, which is 10%, to a 30% price target, which is $90. So $90 win to a $30 loss. In order for me to get a nice daily salary off of $300 entry, I would need to do that about 3 times. So with that being said, maybe going in for $500 or $600 is more ideal. $500 entry, 30% is $150. $600 entry, 30% is $180. $700 entry, 30% is $210. Just know that. So that's how I do my numbers, guys, and I hope you guys have been enjoying these vlogs. Just understand that I'm doing these videos more for the people that really want to get better at trading, because every single day I'm working on getting better. Every single day I'm trying to tune my craft and make sure and see what I can do better. And in this case, what I'm learning is buying further expirations and just day trade further expirations. Literally, if I plan to take a drop, if I put position on SPY and then plan to sell it the same day, I'm just gonna take a next week expiration in the money or at the money put and collect a nice 30%. Anyways, catch you guys on the next vlog, and I hope you guys have been enjoying these.